Are you tired of clutter in your home? Here are 5 DIY organization tips that will help you get your house in order. Tip number 1. Tackle your closet. Start by sorting your clothes into piles, for donations, keepsakes, and items that need repair. Use hangers and shelf dividers to maximize your space. Tip number 2. Arrange your kitchen cabinets. Group like items together and use shelf rises to double space. Recycle old jars and cover them with chalkboard paint for a stylish, functional storage solution. Tip number 3. Organize your bathroom. Use drawer dividers to store your beauty essentials and maximize your counter space. Use a tension rod under your sink to hang cleaning supplies or extra toiletries. Tip number 4. Create a command center for your family. Hang a corkboard or whiteboard near your entryway with hooks for keys and a calendar to keep everyone on schedule. Tip number 5. Get creative with storage. Use baskets, bins, and crates to keep items organized and out of sight. Hang an old ladder to store blankets, or create floating shelves from old books. By using these 5 DIY organization tips, you can turn your cluttered home into a tidy, peaceful sanctuary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.